want to share this with you guys. If any of you have a 2004 or around that same year Mercury Mountaineer, and after driving it through a big puddle or after a big rainstorm, your engine's been misfiring, what normally happens on these cars is that the rain gets up into the engine and runs down these areas where all the spark plugs are at and the boots, and the water seeps into some of the old spark plug boots and goes inside the cylinder and causes a misfire. So what you want to do is you want to, if you have a code scanner, you can read the codes and you can figure out what cylinder is misfiring. Most of the time it's on this bank right here. On the right hand side, if you're looking at the car from the front. What you want to do is you want to go in there, take out the spark plug shoe, and what you want to do, if you have a way of getting compressed air, what you want to do is you want to put the compressed air down into the cylinder and shoot it inside that cylinder. When I first did this on this car, the water shot up all onto the top like a monsoon. Water shot out of the cylinder, up everywhere, and that was what the cause was. So I took out all the water, I got a new spark plug shoe, I'm going to put that in, and that should solve the problem. Any questions you guys have, just let me know.